So I will share with you a very, very powerful thing, a very, very powerful strategy. If you apply it, it's not so easy. Like, they say, it is simple but not easy. Going to gym every day is very simple thing, but is it easy? Waking up every day in the morning early is very simple, but is it easy? Going for a nice morning jog is very, very simple, but is it easy? Indulging yourself in good exercise is very, very simple thing, but is it very easy? So this is what, I would like to take a very good reference from Bhagavad Gita, where Krishna tells to Arjuna, Abhyasetu Kaunteya, practice. Now the first 3 minutes, if you are practicing it every day for 60 days, it can create such a powerful difference in your life, you will not even imagine. You are not going to, go through chaos in your life. Your ability to go through chaos is going to be at a much, much amazing rate. There are lots of articles, in my website, and there are in many, many eminent university websites also. If you see, my articles will be there. I want you to sometime, take your time and go and read it. These are all the researches that I have done with major CEOs, commandants of organizations, and they work. There is nothing that I have spoken to you which does not work. There is nothing that I have shared with you where so many professors like you, so many neuroscientists have not done any research and can be very useful for you as professors, and obviously can be like a boon for you when you are a student. I wish I had known all of these things when I was a student. So that one technique. And the second is, as I told you, how to be free from comparisons, which is a very, very important habit to have. And how do you indulge in this is one simple thing. Define your why. When your why is very weak, you will not have a drive to do anything in life. Define your why. Define your purpose. For example, when I come here, what is my purpose? My purpose is not to show you, what I have done in life. My purpose is not to brag about what I have done. My purpose is to see that this 1 hour becomes very, very useful to you, and you're taking back those habits, techniques, 60-day habit techniques.